Do you know where Officer Rippion eventually ended up? Is he still working somewhere else as a police officer?
Like gleaned from the personnel record of this particular police officer and his separation, the city has had contact from another employer, another prospective employer, in what appears to be in a private security area. That's what it appears to be. I don't know if he's been hired by that or any other company yet, but we were able to submit our notice letter directly to this police officer, his own personal email address. So he will not be difficult to find. If
We work for your hands. Freedom scary. Deal with it.
Current loop video is now locked.
Get it now.
The black box file.
You're on dash cam, jackass!
Picture of a
I can't wait to report you to the police.
Yeah, then we need to deliver our merch fast, so we need a cargo plane.
Right. We don't have to get caught. We can do this very sneakily.
Okay, let's actually do it. Let's actually do it. For once, guys, for once in your life. For once, I'm not teeing you up for comedic thing where you don't go stealth, alright? Seriously, for once in our lives, let's try to do this stuff. Put that gun away.
Get in here!
There's the red dots.
Oh, God damn it, they know we're here.
Okay, I was actually looking.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. This is what you wanted. Hi, we're here. We're here.
And look, that was almost sold and it was funny. Fuckers, man. All right, Brian, go ahead. Your turn, I guess. You're the terrorizer. You're a little bit. You said it on screen. You little fucker. Yeah. Let's see if we're back here. Come back, little up.
Like, holy fucking A, to go to Walmart? Fucking A, to go to Walmart?
Current loop video is now locked.
Get in my car?
Where are you? Where'd you guys go? Where'd you guys go? No, don't shoot the police.
What did you throw at my fucking car? I got it on dash cam, you piece of shit!